Steve Rempel from Prairie Exotics, and we're going to head down to the Mid-Sun Community Center and check out the Calgary Fall Reptile Expo. Steve, we had to pull a Yui back to get something in the hotel.
No Yuis in Alberta.
No Yuis in Alberta, so we will eventually get to the expo. So we're finally here. We missed the lineup this morning, but paid admission and we're going in. From Canadian Mouse, man. Hello. Great time, man. Helping out at the Dad's table.
Yeah.
We're gonna check out the rest of the show. You hang tight, too, man. Okay. I like variety. Did a quick tour through the expo at Calgary, and what was your favorite part?
Features supplement pets, I think.
Yeah.
She's gonna be opening up a shop in Edmonton apparently.
Oh,
but she has some nice diversity.
Call.
Legless lizards, always a fan of those. Some rough green snakes, flying geckos, flying snakes.
Yeah, it's cool to see that variety you get, guys.
Yes.
Like, I mean, captive breeding is where we always want to go, but you know, the wild caught stuff is where it starts from too, right? So,
Yep.
anyways, we're off to a couple other places real quick here too. So stay tuned.